Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Italy. First of all, we will have to open your web browser, and in the search bar, you need to simply search for PayPal country worldwide. You will find the first link in the list, so you will have to click on that link and then you will be landed on this page where you will see all of the 200 plus countries and 25 currencies that PayPal gives its services. So here you will have to simply use the keyboard and press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard. Over here you will have to simply search for Italy, and as you can see that Italy is available. So you need to simply open this link in a new tab and then you will be landed on the URL of Italy. Now it will be in the Italian language, so you can select and go with your Italian language. Now you will have to click on this register option in the top right hand corner, and then you will be landed on this page. Now it will ask you whether you want to open a personal account or a business account, so select the one that you want to offer. So let's say you want to open personal account, so select it and click on this Inizia option. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this page where make sure that your flag is selected. Now provide your email address and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to provide your phone number, your bunch of other details like your personal, your full name, your personal details. So you will have to provide those, and you will be able to successfully create your account on PayPal from Italy. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.